Today I'm talking about what is the spiritual life. Maybe I will cause some trouble within your heart or mind, and that's what really I like. Some people, when you ask them, what are you, what you do, they come and say, they are religious people. They are spiritual people. And if you go a little higher, they will say, I am disciple. I'm saved. I am an initiate. If you wait a little more, they will say, I am a Christ or Jesus. Now, when I hear these kind of claims, I really feel sadness in my heart. Because spirituality, first of all, is humility. Who am I? That's spirituality. What can I say about me? That's spirituality. I'm not worthy even to tie your shoes. That's spirituality. Oh, we heard about you. Isn't it so? I don't know about that. That's spirituality. Spirituality is so beautiful. So today I divided my lecture into two sides. What is spirituality? What is not the spirituality? So maybe you are spiritual, religious people. Maybe you are great disciples. Maybe already you are sitting in the right hand of God. Congratulations. But we are looking real solid gold, not claims. If anybody starts to make claims, be careful, because there is show off behind it, vanity behind it. If something you don't have, you want to demonstrate it, so that you cover your weakness. So real spirituality is not, first of all, churchianity. Because you think that you are going to church, or you are going to group, you are going to lectures, you think you are a spiritual man. You aren't. A spiritual man does not claim that he is spiritual because he is going certain lectures, certain ceremonies, and this or that. The spirituality must be seen through his life, his manners, his thinking, his words, his behaviors, his relationship. We will come to that. Spiritual life is not fanaticism. This is the only way to fly. If you do not read this book, if you do not go to that church, to that religion, you lost. That's not a spirituality. Because God created man, and as much man or woman you have so much path leading to God. Who you are to prevent people to go God by their own way, by their own means and path. So fanaticism is not a spirituality. Standing on the streets and saying, believe my faith or you are lost. Read this book. Or knocking the doors of other people and advertising your religion. It's a good business, but it's not spirituality. It's very interesting. So you are going to see these signs so that you do not confuse between spirituality and real spirituality, between show-off and spirituality. The third one is reading is not a spirituality. Because you read these books, that books, you think you are spiritual. You are not. You are deceiving yourself. It's not the reading books that makes you spiritual. It is understanding of the wisdom of the books and manifestation, the wisdom throughout your life that makes you spiritual.